All right, guys, so I just bought new windshield wipers for my Ford Fusion, and I went ahead and went with the Michelin 26-inch. So my 2017 Ford Fusion titanium engergi. The passenger and driver side both use 26-inch wiper blades. And I went with a hybrid windshield wiper just due to the fact that I'm running Rain-X windshield wipers right now, and I feel like they are kind of uneven. So the difference is, you can see these are both, so the Rain-X windshield wipers are just, there's no metal attachments, and I feel like there's weak points. So I went ahead and went with these Michelins that have like a hybrid approach where it has the same as the Rain-X windshield wipers, where it's just this rubber piece, but it also has the metal built-ins in there. You can see it. So it's just more points of touch. I feel like it'll last longer and do better. I forget what I paid, but the link is in the description where I picked these up on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and install these on my car. Comes with all the installation pieces. And then once it rains, I will do a video review or finish this video out on how they perform on my vehicle. All right, so the windshield wipers come with these different adapters based on your car. My Ford Fusion uses this adapter. Open it up like this. So you can open it up like this, and how you put it in place is you flip this adapter upside down, and then you just push down on it. You just push down, give me 1 second. So you push down, it pops out, there's the piece, and then you put this one in place. How you can do that is, you can see how it fits in there on that little rod, and then you push down, and it locks into place. I already did it on the other one. You can see it's open, but I'll go outside to my Ford Fusion and it literally just feeds right in there. I'll show you guys how you put it on. All right, so here's the Rain-X windshield wipers that I currently have. And to get them off, there's this tab, and you just push down on it. Here. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. And it comes off just like that. Here's the rubber pieces that I was talking about. So sometimes it doesn't flow on the whole windshield right. Put that to the side. Take this, the new windshield wiper, and it goes inside. Give me 1 second. All right, so it just pushes right in like this. You can see where the little tab goes, and then you just push all the way down, and there they go. And that's one done. And I'll go ahead and show you guys on the second. Lift this up, push this tab down. Come on. You push the tab down, and then the crappy Rain-X ones come off. Shit, where did the... Oh, this is a Rain-X one too, sorry. Here's the new Michelins. So the same thing. You push it on, and then just clamp this piece right down. You guys can see. And just like that, it's done. I like how they look a lot better, and I can feel how it's, pushing down a lot more onto the windshield. But once it rains, I'll give you guys a working action of the Michelin hybrid windshield wipers that I got off Amazon. All right, guys, here you can see the windshield wipers actually in action. And I've been using them for actually a couple weeks now, and they actually do a phenomenal job at cleaning the windshields. I'm super impressed, both sides. You can see. Yeah, I'm actually super pleased. I actually had these exact windshield wipers now that I found them back when I had a 2011 or 2012 STI Limited, and I've tried all these years to get the same thing or find these again, and I finally found them. Links in the description, guys. I mean, these are honestly the best windshield wipers. So happy I found them again. Here's what they look like during driving. It is pouring down rain. Here, I'll stop my wipers so you can see the rain. And then turn them back on. Really good at full coverage. I really, like I was talking earlier in the videos, I really don't like the hybrid, or not the hybrid, the full synthetic windshield wipers, the ones that don't have any metal appliances, because I feel like sometimes they get weak or they weaken over time. This is a hybrid approach, so it has the metal inside along with the hybrid, or the synthetic outside, or I don't know what the correct term is, but I think it's the best coverage for, you know, maximum cleaning of your windshield, you know, really getting the water off or whatever you have on there. Yeah, super happy.